Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.ris.ae. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page of Raga International School. In this main page right corner menu available. If you click this link menu you can get one option work with us. In work with us, you can click this link vacancies. If you click this link vacancies, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Raga International School. So current vacancies for early years primary vacancies and secondary vacancies are available. So primary vacancies are learning and teaching leaders, homeroom teacher, subject specialist, art, music, Arabic. And secondary vacancies are head of secondary, mathematics, English, individuals and societies, physics, chemistry, design, PE, art, music, drama, librarian, film studies, psychology, mathematics, English. So these are all the vacancies. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, please contact HR advisor at ris.ae. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So Raga International School qualification and criteria they are given. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. So if you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. So Raga International School, they anticipate a minimum 2 years of qualified teaching experience. So qualification, bachelor degree in education and the particular subject in degree, UAE Ministry of Education approval, medical and police clearance certificates. So these are the things are mandatory for Raga International School teaching vacancies. So here they are given things to know and look out for. Sometimes duplicate website to make it look official. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. So if you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. If you want more details about the Raga International School, you can check it in the menu one by one. You can get it everything in the menu itself. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.cranly.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Cranly Abu Dhabi. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the options vacancies available. If you click this link vacancies, you can get what are the recruitment for Cranly Abu Dhabi. So current vacancies are drama and dance teacher, Latin teacher, marketing and social media assistant. So all the jobs are going to close Friday 21st January 2022. So before that you can submit your application. For example, if you are interested for drama and dance teacher, you can click this link show details. This role will commence in August 2022. The closing date is 21st January. So about the school they are given. So application process, prospective candidates should complete their application. So applicant info pack available. You can click this link applicant info pack. You can get one PDF. This is whole school drama and dance teacher, job description and the applicant info pack. So introduction about the school. Person specification they are given. Bachelor degree in the related field. Minimum 2 to 4 years experience. UK national curriculum. So job description they are given. So make sure before applying, please check the job description. So salary details, staff benefits they are given here. Salary, accommodation, relocation, annual airfare, medical insurance, school fees, gratuity, school lunch, well-being program and discounts they are provided. Then application process they are given here. Submit your application 21st January, application shortlisted 25th January and the week commencing 24th January interviewed face to face or Google Meet. HR interview for successful candidate 31st January, the 4th February job offer to the successful candidate. So all the details are available. Make sure before applying please check. So how to apply Cranly Abu Dhabi? So if you click this link apply now, you can get one online job application form. This application form should take approximately 15 minutes to complete. There are 10 sections in this application form. You will require to upload up-to-date CV. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. In left corner, all the instructions are given here. There are 10 sections in this application form. So first one is files. You can upload a CV and cover letter. Then employment details, education qualification, safeguarding, professional development, personal details, references, employment qualification, school questions, health declaration. Once you have completed all the details, you can submit your job application form. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So here also they are mentioned, you will receive email confirmation that your application has been received. So like that you can submit your job application, Cranley, Abu Dhabi. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.elspvtdubai.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of English private school. So in this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option employment. If you click this link, you can get what are the teaching vacancy for English language private school. So we need teachers the following subject: international GCSE or international A level, English, physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics, Arabic, Urdu, and admin portion assistant teacher, electrician, plumber, data entry operator. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV for consideration. Otherwise, you can submit the online application form. That means employment application form available. If you click this link, click here, you can get one online application form. Kindly share a CV with hr@elspvtdubai.com. So they are given here. Otherwise, you can send the online application form. Name, subject, nationality, email address, phone number, highest qualification, teaching experience. So all the details once you are completed, you can give the submit your application. Once you are submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. I hope you can get a great job. Good luck with your job search. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.